Right now, the state's highest court is set to hear arguments over evidence in the death of a Clark Atlanta student. Alexis Crawford was found dead in a DeKalb County park in 2019. The case the Georgia Supreme Court is hearing today involves a key piece of evidence tied to her roommate's boyfriend, a phone call Barron Brantley made from jail. He is charged with her murder. 11 Live's Karis Belger is live outside of the courthouse for us. Karis, been a very long road for the victim's family, 4 years now. What's the goal of the hearing today?
Well, the state today to overturn a decision previously made by a Fulton County barring phone call records that were made while Brantley has been in custody. Brantley allegedly made some incriminating statements during the time he was in jail, and that's why the state is trying to have these records introduced for evidence in court. According to investigators, Alexis was strangled on Halloween morning, and her remains were later dumped in a park in Decatur. A search went on for days before detectives say Alexis's former roommate, Jordan Jones, led them to where her remains were located. They also say Jones previously admitted to having some part in Alexis. The state is arguing Brantley did not have reason to expect his phone calls in jail would be private, and that's why they are petitioning to allow the phone calls.
All right, we're having some trouble with Karis's microphone. So what they're trying to do is argue whether those phone calls made in prison should be used during the course of the trial. Very important evidence here. In 2022, a judge ruled that hearsay evidence could be used in the trial, meaning prosecutors would be able to bring up the alleged rape of Crawford by Brantley prior to her death. So we'll have much more on the case. Karis Belger standing by there at the courthouse. We'll have much more throughout the hour.